Recording. Okay, Felsia. Hello again, Felsia. So I just started the recording, so I have to yeah I have to say hello again. So Felsia, today we'll talk about function, but before we go to there, I want to tell you something about your next lesson or the next week. So first, I want to talk about my voice, Felsia. So I have you know
Sore,
I haven't fully what.
sore throat.
What, Belgia?
Sore throat.
Yeah. So I yeah, we can say I'm not haven't I haven't fully recovered yet because I got sick Felsia, so this the first day I've taken again. Okay.
Okay.
And then the second thing is in the next week I will opt for a week because I wanna do something important for my second study.
Uh huh.
So maybe I will be replaced by the other tutor, and then it will I will tell your parent later. Okay, Felicia, about that.
Only for next week, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
only for next week. And then the third thing is what else? Yeah. So this is will be your schedule, right, Pelsia? I mean,
Yeah.
or it will be okay. Okay, I will give a note for that. Okay, I think that's all, Pelsia. Do you have question for me?
No.
No. Okay. So before we start your lesson for today, have I told you about your hackathon, Pelsia?
My what?
Your hackathon. You should do your hackathon. Have I told you?
What is Hackathon?
Oh my God.
Wait, is it the
I
project?
Yeah, the project. I mean,
Oh yeah, I did.
oh, have you finished it yet?
Yeah,
Have
but
you finished?
I don't think
Mm.
it's. I think it's like simple.
Oh, could you please show me
Okay,
before
wait.
we start your lesson? Okay.
It's like. Oh, wait. Why is it like this? Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Do you want to play? Wait, I don't think you know the game though.
Okay. I will play it like this. Well, yeah. I wouldn't see the code. Resident Evil. That's great movie, by the way. Okay, you can play it like this. So it's
Oh,
kind of behind the scene. It consists of a
but
bunch
this
of
is like.
like that.
But like, if you don't know the game, I don't think.
That's okay. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. So welcome to guess the Resident Evil character game.
Oh,
Give a
wait, sir.
quote from your character.
Sir,
What?
I want to ask something.
Oh yeah.
If it's like if you make like a game like this, is it better if, for example, you answer it wrong? Is it better if like they ask if to like ask you the question again, or just stop until there?
Yeah. Sure. It's better to re-asking.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
okay, then I have to loop.
This I think you will be great developer, by the way.
Eh, I just made this like
Okay.
30 minutes ago.
Okay.
Wait, what is it just now?
Okay.
Can I use
Yes, while loop.
while loop? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wait. Uh,
While.
wait. I forgot the thing.
Uh-huh. At line 4.
Oh, here?
Line 4. Mm-hmm. While.
Wow.
While true. Let's use while. Oh, excuse me. Maybe. Yeah. What do you want as the condition? I don't know.
So, like anything.
Like anything? I
Wow.
think it should be while the question is not equal with stop maybe
Is not equal with,
with stop. Mm-hmm.
with what? With,
Stop. The word stop
like that?
like that. But you should give us a clue. I mean, uh, maybe after give a quote from your character, and then after that parenthesis, the word stop for break the loop, maybe like that.
Wait, so what is this? What does this stop mean?
Oh my god! So it means that if you enter uh not the word stop, it will ask you and ask you again.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is like the safe word. Okay.
Okay, but it depends on you.
Okay, I'm just gonna
Oh my god. Oh,
stop. Wait, no, no, no. Just say like, how do I say like end the game?
oh yeah, you can give
Yeah.
us a clue at the question variable. And no, I mean you can give us clue in here. Stop
Uh-huh.
for ending the game. Like this, right?
Oh,
Or
to give the player. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah, like that.
Oh wait, I cannot use that. Never mind. Eh, sorry. Enter. Stop. Stop.
Okay. If you want to end the
Oh
game.
wait.
Okay.
Oh yeah, never mind. And then over here. Oh, that means this is stop.
Exactly right.
Stop. And then this.
Colon. Don't forget the colon after the
Yeah,
word stop. Okay.
this one have
And
to.
then have to be indented. Uh-huh. Okay. And then don't forget to re-asking, pals, yeah. Copy and paste the line 3.
Oh, 9, 3. Oh yeah. Wait, so like in
Mhm.
each of them.
Yep.
Okay.
And then no. I'm
Oh,
so sorry. Uh at line 16 maybe.
16
Up after the else, but outside the else.
outside.
Outside. Uh-huh. No, it
Oh,
should be inside the while loop.
where is the while? Oh, inside the while loop. Okay, so this one like.
No. That's right.
Oh,
No. That's right. I
oh.
mean, inside while loop means that you just need to do something like this. Boom. Tap. Hit tap.
What just happened?
Hit tap. Well, yeah. Nah, that's what I mean. Oh, no. This is
What?
inside the else block. So this is not allowed.
Wait.
I mean, not allowed is this will be executed when the else is true. Okay, so inside while loop means that
Oh yeah.
like this. Well, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. I think that's enough.
Wait, so how do I?
Okay. I will tell you how you can publish your project first. You want to publish your project?
Uh, I don't know. No, cause like my idea was like guess the character by like their like hair color, eye color, but like most of them have the
Oh,
same color of eyes and hair. So I was like,
yeah. So do you like Resident Evil? Also, have you watched that movie?
What?
Resident Evil.
I play the games.
Oh, oh,
I play the video
okay,
games.
okay, okay. I got you. Okay, I think it's enough. I will check your task later. You can stop your screen. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, Velsia.
Okay.
So today we'll talk about functions, Velsia. But I just want to ask you, have you heard about functions, Velsia?
Uh, yeah.
And what is that?
Wait, no, I don't know in what is it coding though. I only know in like Excel.
Oh, that's good. But yeah, it's almost same because Excel it's also language programming, Velsia.
I like Excel.
Are you like okay? So what do you think about function? I mean, what is that?
Um, I don't know. Is there like math?
Yeah, you're right. You're right. That's that's right, Velsia. It's like math. So, are you at junior high school? Are you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So it means that have you met with this stuff,
Oh
Velsia?
no. Nope. Not
No.
there yet.
Okay. Um. Okay. So it's like math. You're right about that. It consists of algorithm, and then it will be executed, and then it will do something for you later. Okay. Today we will create your own function. Your own function. I mean, you can add a custom mathematical formulation inside that function. Okay? Okay. First of all, I wanna tell you why do we need function. I mean, why we just use the ready-made function? Why we should create our own function? Well, if you have a task like this, Pelsia, write a program that prints out center branded labels for a student's notebook. These labels must contain the center's name and the name, course, and group fields. The program should also ask for the number of labels to print and print that number of labels as shown in the picture. So if you enter let's say 2, it will print this label, this stuff twice like this. The question is, maybe, not question, not yet. So maybe you will create the solution like this. Amount is equal to, and then for I in range amount, I will print all of this stuff. But the question is, how could you use this program in the other programs, Pelsia? I mean, without create it from the beginning. So without copy paste also, no, we kind of we do not want copy and paste it, but it's like we can use this program inside in the other program without create it again. How would we do that? That's the kind of essential of how why do we need to use function. I'm so sorry. Okay, Pelsia.
Okay.
So what is the function actually? Let me explain to you, and then we'll talk about this later again. Today, our goal is will automate the teacher's routine work when they prepare for lessons and events. This is kind of the formal things. In detail, you will learn how to create a program, your own function actually, and use it in the other program, and then learn how to return the result of a function's operation. And of course, it can optimize your routine work using function again. Okay, so what is function? That's the first thing that you should know. A function is a program has and it has a name and unique task files. Yeah, that's the key. It has a name and unique task. And then what functions that you have used files here? Well, you have used print function. This is will print argument inside its parentheses. Second one, input function. Third one, INT function. This will allow you to convert the data from string maybe into integer. And then len function will allow you to determine how many characters inside your string, like that. This is all it's a function, but we call it as a ready-made function. Now, could I create my own function? It means that it consists of a custom operation that I want. Yes, you could. But how we could do that? Well, this is the lesson. So the first one, you need to use the word dep, Pelsia. This is the keyword to create a function. Dep. Okay? And then your function's name. Dep function name. And then you can also add parameters inside its parenthesis later. And we'll talk about this later. But the main thing is you should create the body of your function using colon first, and then it should be has indentation in here. Okay, Pelsia? Don't forget. And then what do you want to do? It depends on you or your goal. Okay? And then what is the example? This is the example about the first apa? The first problem. With function, you can do something like this. That dep print label, this is the name of the function, and then it uses parameter here. The name of the parameter is name. And then print. We call it as the body of our function. Okay? Else, yeah? And then after that, you can call that function in your main program like this. Okay. This is how functions work. Okay? I know it's not really clear. That we we need
Because
to
the
go to the
results
flat
doesn't.
problem.
Sir, does Excel
Okay.
use this?
What?
Does Excel use this?
Yes, but it's behind the scene. I mean, if you kind of create your own function, you wanna calculate something that's completely
Because like
custom. So yeah,
Excel's function is different, right?
yeah. I know. Just like if you wanna sum, or let's say you wanna multiply something, multiply a bunch of number, you just need to say mul, like, well, yeah, or do something like that. I know. But I want to show you behind that function, it consists of a code.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let me explain to you with a code in here. So you can please go to our website, Pelsia, and then go to the course page and at module 3, lesson 1. Okay?
Okay. Wait.
Number 1. Okay, there we go. I will go to here maybe. Hold on. Okay. So let's define our own function, Pelsia. So first one, I want to create my function, and then you should use,
Def.
yeah, dep.
What does that even
So
mean?
what?
What does def even mean?
I don't know. Maybe it stands for define or definition. I don't know.
Oh,
Uh,
okay.
so dep, and then let's say my function's name is. Let me zoom it. My function's name is introduction, like this, Felsia. And you can put a parameter inside these parentheses, okay, Pelsia, or you do not want to add parameter. You just need to do something like this. And then hit tab after the colon, it will kind of automatically has indentation. And then I want to do kind of, I will say, hello, my name is Pelsia. The second thing is print. I am, let's say you are 30 years old. And then the last step is print. I like to learn Python. Okay. So now what will happen if you run your code, Calcia? Nothing happens. Okay? Nothing
Oh,
happens. Because when you create a function, you should call the function to see the output or the body of the function. And then how you call the function, it's like you call a variable, you just need to say introduction. And then it should use parentheses. That's why dot lower function use do something like this, right, Felsia?
Yeah.
Because if you do not add the parentheses,
Yeah, I
it
tried just
means
now.
yeah. Okay.
I was
Okay.
like, why isn't it
In
working?
introduction, now it will show you the body. Okay, okay, man. Hello, my name is Felsia, and then I'm 30 years old. I like to learn Python, like
Also,
that.
it's basically like print again, like show, like
Well, it depends on you. I mean, whatever did you put in here, Felsia? Because in here, in the body of the function, I use print function. I use print, so it will display all of this level.
oh, so that's why if we get like the function, for example, in Excel, like we type the function wrong, it will like wrong.
Exactly. Yeah, you're right about it. So behind in each function, it consists of a body, and then the body, well, it's completely custom. I mean, let's say you want to use add or some function in Excel. So it consists of, okay, you have to add all of the numbers. But if you are using minus, you have to subtract all of the numbers like that. Okay? So,
So,
mm-hmm,
yes.
come on.
What is it just now? Can like dot lower and then like also introduction use the what is it called? Bracket
Parentheses,
or parentheses.
brackets. Okay, yeah, that's also fine if you want to use brackets.
Um, why do we actually have to use the bracket?
That's great question. It's weird, like, because yeah, it's a little weird, but I think this is the rules because
Oh.
in each language programming, it has its own rules.
But not all of them have to use parentheses.
Yes, like when you later in Python Pro second year, you
Yeah.
will learn about SQL. SQL is also a language programming to work with data. That's a special. You do not need to, let's say you want to add something, you do not need to use parentheses like this. It's annoying, but yeah, this is in Python, I mean.
Oh,
So we need to follow the rule, okay?
okay.
Yeah, I know it's kind of, oh, it
How
there
did
is
you find
no,
out?
okay.
Okay.
That's function, Pelsia, okay? And
Okay.
then if you want to create the other program, I mean, okay, I wanna, uh call this function 3 times. So you just need to say for I in range 3 and then call the functions like this.
Yeah.
It will give you three, yeah, three labels. Excuse me, nine labels like that, Pels, yeah. So if you want to create a function, you should uh, call the function to see what what is happening behind the scene or at the body of the function. Okay, this is the function without parameters, Pelsia. Now, a function with parameters, you can do it like this, Pelsia. Let's
Wait,
say
what is
I create
parameters?
my parameters is something that you have to add inside these brackets or its parentheses. Okay, let's
Okay.
say I will add name here or don't use name, maybe uh what? Okay, like this maybe. My name is name. So I have to add name here. Let's make it different. Intro maybe. The second one is intro. Okay. Now, if you call the first function, there is no parameters here, Felsia. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's completely fine. But when you call the second function, intro, without parameter, I mean without give it its parameter, it says, okay, intro missing one required argument. That's name. it means that whenever you want to call this function, you should provide its parameter, or it's like its put. Okay, and then what is its put? I mean, it should be integer or a string. Well, it depends on the data type that you are working with. I mean, in this case, you are working with string, so you can add string or a number. It's also fine. I mean, like this, Felsia. You should put the name like this, Felsia, or let's use your uh, Leon, maybe. Okay, and then it will print out, hello, my name is Leon, and I am 30
Oh,
years old, like that.
oh my
Okay?
God. Wait, what?
Yeah, so you should provide their parameter when you call a function with parameters. And this one you can modify like this. Okay, I want to create a name with input function and then enter the name. So whenever you call the intro function, it will ask you, okay, enter the name first, and then I will kind of give you the intro function. And then let's say the name is, who is the other name? Oh, Ada. Okay. Hello, my name is Ada. I'm 30 years old. I like to
Oh,
learn
you know
Python.
Ada?
Yeah, of course.
She's my
Okay.
favorite character. She's in my phone case.
Oh, oh, oh my God. Oh,
Okay, and
so you are kind of,
wait.
oh, that's great. You are you kind of heavy fans on Ada,
Basically
Felsia?
the whole franchise, cause like I
Oh,
actually like make like 3D
oh,
models of
okay,
them.
okay.
So, yeah.
I see that. Okay. Now, do you have question, Felsia?
No, but like wait.
This is how, if you want to add parameters, you can create it like this. And remember, when you create a function but you do not call that function, there is nothing happens. Okay? But you have function here. I mean, nothing happens is it doesn't mean that your program is error. Okay? Okay. I think this is the example of that. Now let's take a look at the question, Felsia. Okay?
Okay,
What's the question, by the way?
I don't know.
What? Oh, yeah. So this is the question. Number of t-thirds. If you enter three, oh, it will display discovery and keep going three times. Oh, it's easy. So depth print label, and it should have, this one tells here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
parentheses, brackets, and then amount for I in range amount column, and then I want to call the print label based on the amount, and then this is how is it going. Four times. Okay, you got it.
Wait. Oh, the oh no, yeah. Okay, wait.
You got, okay.
And the oh, you use the int. Use the int. So what happens if you don't use the int?
If we don't use the int,
Yeah.
oh yeah, because the range function needs a number, so it will produce an error, of course.
Oh, okay.
Boom.
Ah,
Start must be an integer, excuse me.
okay.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now your turn to share your screen. I'll guide you.
Yay.
Okay.
Oh no, theory.
I wanna take a drink, Felsia.
Oh, okay,
I'm
okay.
so sorry.
Def. Isn't this switched? Wait.
Okay. Choose the program with no bugs or with no error, Felsia.
Uh. How many answers can we choose? Okay, no, I don't know.
Um, It's I think it's more than one answer.
Print grade, and
Well,
then
what's wrong with the first function, Pelsia?
oh, wait, I don't know. Wait, def
It's
grade
okay. Take your time.
grade equals to in input. What's wrong? Isn't this supposed? Is it after def? Like it has to be like print or
And no, not
oh
like that. There is nothing wrong with this, Pelsia. So it's like
like
inside my function, I create variable name grade and then I print the grade.
yeah,
Now, how about the second one? What's wrong with that?
the parenthesis.
Yeah, the parentheses.
This one.
How about that?
Wait. Def grade thing. Okay. Print grade receive.
So,
I
yeah,
think
what's wrong?
this one.
Mm-hmm.
This one. If it doesn't have the five, I think it will be fine.
Exactly right. So
Wait,
it's
what is
not
the
allowed.
five for?
What?
What is the five for?
It's like, okay, I want to call the grade get grade function, and then I kind of want to provide it parameter, and it's five. Five, it's just parameter, okay? And that's not allowed because when you define that function, there is no parameter on there, right, Pelsia? I
When you
mean,
def what?
I mean this one.
Okay.
Could I annotate your screen?
Yeah.
I think it's better.
Already.
Okay, this one tells that it's nothing here, okay?
Yeah.
Nothing on there. But when you call this function, you
Oh
provide
yeah.
something.
Oh, the
That's
one we
why,
did just now.
okay, it
Yeah.
will produce an error.
This
Okay, I
one.
think this is
Correct.
it's right, okay? Because yeah,
Yay.
okay. If you master this function, I think yeah, your life will be easier. I mean, when you want to create a game,
What?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I mean.
Sir, I wanna ask when am I gonna like when
Mm-hmm.
am I gonna like learn how to make a website?
Oh, that's a great question. We you will learn about how it's a long way, by the way.
Oh,
Because yeah.
yeah, because like in my school, we don't actually learn how to make it. We just learn the theory, and it's boring.
Oh, so I just wanna tell you something about full stack front end web development.
Yeah.
So if you kind of face something like situation, will you go to front end or back end? I recommend you to go to the full stack. I mean the
Wait, what?
combination between full front end is you create a website, but you can do it with AI, by the way. And AI is more it's smarter than us maybe for the front end. Okay,
Okay.
that's when you want to create a website. I mean,
Ah.
yeah, this is the technical things, by the way. I'm so
But you
sorry.
can just use AI.
For the front end, yes, I recommend you to use AI. But the back end, that's the other story, Felsia.
Oh, no. I don't even know what that is, but okay.
That's
Eh. Oh, wait.
when you create a website,
Yeah?
you have to choose a kind of path. Will you go to the back end path or the front end path? Like that.
Number of t-shirts. I don't know.
It's too early to talk about back end and front end.
Yeah, I don't even know what that is there. So it's,
Okay, I'll tell you later.
yeah,
If you want to see the example, I mean.
yeah, sure. Okay. Wait, what? The fix the bug. Oh no.
Oh, oh my God.
Sir.
No, no, my sister.
Oh, sir.
Yeah,
Do I
Belsia.
can I make the input thing like over here, or does it have to be like in the front?
Yeah, over there. You
Okay.
can do that.
What is it just now? Name.
Yeah, your name is equal to input function.
I like the input function.
It's you know what?
What
Python is I can say something like this. Python is
is?
if you want to be data analyst, Belsia,
Oh yeah.
Python is better than Excel. I can say that
Mm.
based on the function or yeah.
Wait.
If you
You know, if I want
mhm.
to be a data analyst, I can just make my own program instead of Excel, and then I get more money.
Yes, yes, Belsia.
Wait, wait, I don't know. I'm just gonna like type everything first.
Are you sure? But you have student info on there, Belsia.
Wait, sir. I just wanna type this first.
Oh yeah, yeah, sure.
This taking. Wait. Taking.
5. Oh yeah, course.
Okay. Now I need to do the thing.
Okay, what is that?
I don't know. Wait. What is it?
I think
The name.
excuse me. Oh my God,
Oh wait. I forgot I have to use this.
what's that?
Wait. Why do I have to use this when I can just do this?
Be, be, yeah, I told you. I told you. So you do not need to say print the students Weasley and blah blah blah. You just need to call the function students input because
Oh.
Weasley Allen is the name. Okay, so that's
Oh. Okay, it
yeah.
made it for me. I just realized. Okay.
Okay,
Sir, why do I have to put it like in tap like this?
student. No, 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 no. You do not have to do that.
Cause like
Mm-hmm.
just now the previous one I had to.
Yeah, student info parenthesis because now your student info needs two parameters. Oh, exactly. I do not need to explain that.
Yay.
What's the name? Course.
Wait, sir, can this one?
Uh,
We don't have to use
mm-hmm.
tap, right?
Yeah.
But just now we have to.
Which one?
Wait, how do I save this? I think it's already saved. Uh, this one.
Oh, yeah, because the function, you want to call the function inside the for loop, right? If you want to call it outside the for loop, you do not need to do the tab. I mean, you. I mean like this, Belsia.
Yeah.
So this is the first program. Oops, excuse me. This is the first program, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then this is your second program. In the second program, I want to call the first program. You got it? I mean, you, you can do something like you can do something like this. If you do not want to do the tab like this, so you do not need this, right, Belsia? And you do not need this. Oops, let's. Oh, excuse me. Okay, for mount column. Let me comment in this line. Okay, so if you want to call your function, you just need to do something like this, and it will call your function. But I want to call the function based on the amount that I have been entered here, right, Felsia?
Yeah.
That's why I need for loop. right? And then inside the for loop, I just need to do this step, right? But this step is covered by print function or print label. It means that you just need to call that function inside the for loop like this. So it will kind of call your function twice or based on the number that you have been entered here. Let's say you wanna enter 4. Well, it will call your function twice for I in range 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, four times.
Oh, wait.
I think, I think,
Okay, yeah,
I
okay.
think, are you sure?
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, if you do not do the tab, what is your for loop's body? I mean, it will get an error here. Bad
Because
input.
there's the colon and there's
There
nothing
is,
inside.
yeah, there is no, what is, what is the action?
Yeah.
What should I execute? Like that. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 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 I'm sure.
Okay. Next level.
Oh, this is my screen, I just realized.
Okay.
Wait,
Okay, next. How about this? Well, number the other.
yeah. Uh, this. Oh, wait, where was I just now?
You can hit the checklist button. Okay. Now you will create your function from the really beginning, Kelsey. How would you do that?
Uh, ow. Okay. What is it just now?
The function consists of the word golden Peter and a name, school, and yeah, that's
Badges.
all.
Function for printing badges.
Okay.
What badges? Oh, this. On the
Yeah.
okay. Def. Def. Anything, right? What do I want to name it?
Anything.
Badge.
Yeah, anything.
Badge. And then this.
Yeah.
And then print print. Oh, do I just copy paste?
Yeah, sure.
Wait, what is this? Golden. Hold on.
Okay.
Golden print. Oh. Wait, what is this? To,
It's like the
oh,
early.
oh yeah. Okay.
If
Or
you enter 2, it will.
don't take your badges.
Mm-hmm.
So this golden feather name school. Golden feather. Eh,
Mm-hmm. Golden Feather.
golden feather. But that will. Oh, whatever. I'm just gonna copy and then like.
Okay. Brilliant. Okay.
Wait, how do I do it? Oh wait. Uh, what is it? Wait. Okay, now it won't work. Um.
Oh,
Up. Wait.
yeah.
Wait.
Print.
Wait. This one. No, right?
You do not need that. Okay.
Okay. And then we just like. Can I just? Wait. Can I do that? Like. Oh no, I can't.
No.
Oh no.
But I can show you how
Uh,
you can do that. I mean,
yeah.
you
Okay.
can. No. Please go back to
Oh.
the. So if you want to use print function, and then that's your statement, Pelsia, you can do something like this. Mm-hmm.
Eh. What is that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
So it will print something in here, but you need to use triple quotations. Okay?
Oh yeah. Like Excel.
Oh yeah, you know about that.
What?
Hold on. But I'm not sure the output because I
Wait, so won't it be like the same thing if we don't, if we only put one quotation mark?
That's for uh just for short statement, just in line. I mean, at one
Oh,
line statement. Okay.
wait, are you sure this will work?
Okay, you can try that.
Okay,
I
I'm gonna
mean,
send first.
okay.
And then the one like this, yeah. Wait, I'm gonna like go back to the previous one so I can
Okay.
save.
No, no, no. It's
Where,
it saved. Okay.
wait, where is it just now?
Number three. Okay, this is it.
Like this one. Okay. Like this one. Okay, I'm just gonna like, cause, um, wait. Okay. Eh, oh, number five. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Do we just do it here then?
You can remove that green line, by the way.
Oh, it's okay. I want to read it first. Program
Okay.
that reads the number. Oh, also this one.
Mm-hmm.
Amount. Amount. What just now? Amount. Amount. Wait. Amount. Oh yeah, the thing.
It. Mm-hmm.
Amount in. 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 Uh. Wait. Number of students. And then the thing. Wait, what am I doing?
What
I
thing?
don't know what I'm doing.
You should use for I
Yeah,
in range. Mm-hmm.
in this for I in F in
Range.
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 Why is
Oops.
it range
Range.
and
Amount.
wait amount?
Parenthesis. Don't put. Range is also a function. Oh,
Wait, no, wait,
okay. Okay. Amount like that.
wait. Does this make
Colon.
space?
Well, it can be like that, but if you wanna, it's also cannot. Depends on you. If you wanna add space,
Oh,
that's
wait,
fine.
but
If
it
you do
doesn't.
not want to add, that's
Okay,
also fine. There is no errors.
I in
Beige.
range. Wait, what just now? Oh yeah, call the thing. Wait,
Call the function.
call the what is it? Badge.
Parenthesis. And then you can run your code.
Um, wait, what am I supposed to type? Oh, the number, yeah.
Yeah, the number.
Eh, three.
Number. Ah.
Why is it? Oh, yeah. Okay,
Oh my God.
this is because I'm just lazy. Wait, I'm just gonna
Okay.
copy paste this.
If you wanna do it with one line, Celsia, I
Yeah.
can tell you you can do with this stuff. Wait, hold on. Go. Okay, hold on. Okay, and then backslash n. It means that new line. Okay, and then name colon underscore 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 again new line and then school colon underscore 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 underscore. Now
Oh,
you can try that.
oh
Uh-huh.
wow. Okay.
The backslash mean new line, okay? If
Okay.
you wanna do it in one line without print.
Okay.
Okay.
Why isn't it working though? Why is it?
Because you forgot the last statement after the for loop.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's a. oops, done, take your
Uh-huh.
so like after the for loop.
I mean, after the for loop is finished, Felicia.
Wait.
So outside the for loop, I mean.
Eh,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Under
print, print,
print.
print. What? Done. Take your badges. Done. Done. Take your badges.
Your badges.
Wait, is there like? Oh, okay. Full stop.
Block them.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Boom.
Oh wow.
Okay. I wanna explain to you about a really important thing, Felicia.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We have 10 minutes. But it's okay. Now you have. Okay. There we go. You have learned about function, but something that you have been learned is just displaying a value. Okay, function that can display a value, not returning a value. What's the difference? So we have two kind of functions. First is just display a value, Pelsia. The second one is returning a value. When you use when you want to create a function that can return a value, you should use return operator. Okay, and then I will show you the example and the difference. I
Okay.
have a function. Let's say the name is um, count area. Okay, and it consists of, let's say, what first site and then second site. Yeah, and then I will say print my the area, maybe the area of this shape, comma, tells here S1 times S2. Okay, this is basically the general terms of the general formulation of area, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now the second one is I will use return operator, count area, and then A comma B. And then I'll say return, excuse me, A times B. Now let's call count area. Oh, not count area again. Just area. Just area.
So if
Count.
if it for example like both of them are the same like count area and count area, what will show?
Yeah. Ah, what? What?
Like
What?
for example the first one count
Oh,
area.
yeah.
Yeah. If that
Mm-hmm.
is count area, what will like happen?
Well, it depends on what function that you call, Elsia. I mean, if you call it twice, so it will be this one. I mean, like this, count area,
Yeah.
and I will say count area. So it will be the latest person of this code,
Oh
and then
okay.
let's say uh and 15. Boom, nothing happens, Elsia.
Okay.
And uh, but I want to explain to you about the return, by the way. So
Yeah.
if you do something like this, count area, it will print this stuff. But if you do the same thing, area, let's say it's almost same, 15. Nothing happens. It's just this stuff, Celsius. The question is, it's not also errors, like Celsius. I mean, there is no errors here. It means that something happens behind the scene. And what is that? That's why we call it as a this second function will return a value for you. It means that if you want to display the value, you should use print function here. Print like this spells
Oh,
here. Uh-huh. Oops. And then add maybe some statement like
the area.
area. Like this, fellas. Yeah. Aha, right now.
So,
Okay.
so what is the difference between def and about the first one and the second one?
Okay. The first one, when you call or want to, let's say you wanna print the print function, it will return something like this. Fellas. I will comment out this. Aha. The area of the shape is 150 and none. Now, what is none? None means that Celsia in count area you have used print function. Now, if you do something like this, print behind the scene, something happens like this, Celsia. You want to print, right, Celsia?
Oh,
Like this. So you want to print something that this stuff or this first function outputs, you want to print with the second function. That's not right,
yeah,
technically. And then it will produce none because I cannot return a value. That's this function said, oh, I'm so sorry, my second print function, I cannot return a value. That's why you will print none like this. It means that if you want to print something or if you want to returning a value, you should use return function, return operator, excuse me. Now maybe you will say it means that um, print function is more has more benefits than the return operator, right? That's not right, Falsia,
wait,
because
wait, why, I didn't ask that, so like, why would I ask that? Wait, why?
I mean, I mean, in the many of the beginners students say that. So why do I need to use return if I have group
Yeah,
function like print
yeah,
function? I mean, when you create a big project, Balsia, you will not display the value, and the display or print function just work once. I mean, you cannot use that in the other program again and again. It's just, you know, it's just display a value for you once at your terminal or at the workspace. We'll talk about that later when we'll talk about Visual Studio Code. It's 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 complicated, but this is how this is how functions work with return value, Felsia. So if you want to display something, you can use print, and if you want to returning a value, you can use return operator. Okay, and then let me show you the real example at the
I
PowerPoint
think I
maybe.
need an example.
Uh-huh. So could you see? Here's the example.
Wait, the return.
Yeah, the return. So it says like this, Felsia. Hold
Oh,
on. Uh, So for now, let's look at the calculation for a single student's average. So that's fine. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this function, but it will do something wrong when you want to create a variable inside the function like this, Felsia. And if you do print average at the last line, and then you do print average again, well, it will don't work, Felsia. It doesn't work. Okay, I'm not sure with this example because we haven't talked about the nested function, so I cannot give you a clear explanation about this. But this is how, if you want to return a value, you can do it like this. And then the difference is just when you want to return a value, you need to use a return function, return operator, excuse me. And when you want to display a value, you can use just print function. That's all. And let me, I want to make sure that you are understand about it. I want to say, let's say, what count maybe is equal to a times b, and then return uh, count. Now, if you want to count area, well, there's nothing wrong with this because we have the function. But when you want to use this function inside or in the other program, Felsia, let's say you want to use that function in the other program, means that inside a function, let's say you want to use it as an argument. I don't know how to explain that, but third function, and then I will say what, and then say print, or let's say if what is greater than 100, print nice, maybe. Okay, else, yeah. And the else is I
Bad.
have no idea. I have no idea. Okay, now let's say you want to use this function as an argument. Third function needs, let's say, you want to use count area. So this is what will happen. Count or argument, arc maybe, count area, like this spells here. And then you want to say arc like this. This is what will happen.
Oh.
Uh-huh. So, oh, excuse me. Okay. Uh-huh. So it says not supported, blah, 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 because this is not returning a value. And if you kind of, maybe you want to remove this stop files here, it's almost same. It says what? Yeah. So these three, or let's create something like this. Area is equal to S1. Area. Aha, this is what will happen. You cannot use this function inside a function. But if you do it with the area, I mean this function, you will get the result. Nice, like this. That's why, yeah, you will use return operator more than the print function. And we'll talk about that in the next lesson, of course.
Okay, good.
Today is enough.
Because I was like, huh?
Okay, okay, well, yeah, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much. But let's take a recap first before we end up this meeting. So today we have talked about function and how you can create your own function. Okay, Velsia, could you tell me what is the keyword?
What?
The keyword to
Oh,
to
death.
dev. Okay, and then yeah, I think that's all. Do not need to. Okay, I think that's all, Velsia. And lastly, thank you so much for being here, and I appreciate your hard work. And then I just want to say, uh, next week I couldn't teach you because I have to do something and I want to holiday by the way. So yeah, keep learning, Pelsia. Okay,
Okay.
that's okay. Thank you so much and see you at
Bye.
the other meeting.